So I just thought I'd mention a quick way I've been looking at how to actually convert some of these batteries. So these are the little 250s you get for the Tiny6, and I'm going to put these connectors on, which are meant to be better and not cause problems with power drops. So take off the little cap. I find it easiest to prise it gently from both sides. I've done this one obviously before, but they're actually pretty easy. Make sure the little cap comes through. And then what I've done, I've actually used an old barbecue skewer to take off what I can of the silicone around here. And actually that could do, you can see the bits of solder in there, but what I've found is if you give it a little pull quite gently, you'll actually get the tabs coming up like that. So you can see, obviously you don't want to pull too hard that they come together, but you've actually got the tabs coming up, and you can gently take those back over and take out the little plastic divider so you can clean that up. And there's the battery, so there they are, and it's just lying there ready to be soldered up. Okay, a quick part 3 to this. What I've actually decided to do, I've got the tabs off, I've actually straightened them out, and I'm actually, to make life easier for soldering rather than soldering mid-air and cause things to be awkward, I've cleaned up, just taken off some of the silicone off these little black inserts, just giving them a bit of a scrape. I've put them back in, and so I'm now going to be able to just solder directly onto those pads. So I'm going to put it through here first, put my wires through there, and then solder them directly, because it won't take long. Just to a quick touch should get these soldered up quite nicely. That's all ready to go. Don't forget to put your connector actually through this little black piece before you solder it up, because this, combined with the little plastic bit that I'm going to clean up with the edge of a wood file, probably just take off that silicone, just stops those tabs opening up again. So I'm going to solder it up like this, solder it onto there, and then I'm probably just going to put a bit of hot melt in there, and close these tops back on top. And yeah, just in case you're interested, this is the 5-in-1. So I've got lots of different options for charging that, but it's actually hardwired into a small 12-volt supply, just covers around the right ampage as well, so 12 volts, 1.2 amps. Why not? It's an old, as you can see, a D-League switch power supply. So I've just got that hardwired in, so I don't have to faff around with batteries and whatnot, because the USB connector actually fell off. Small tip actually, when I did solder all these, when I desoldered it, and also when I do solder it, I did it in batches and just held everything down with a bit of gaffer tape, just to hold everything in place, so I don't have to worry about anything moving, because obviously you don't want your iron to touch both contacts at the same time. Could be fun.